piece of my heart. No, you didn't. No, you did not. No, you did not. Shut up.
45 and 45. Up next, 63, 63.
You're welcome. Okay, spare change. No, you didn't. Shut up. Shut up.
17, I-17. Up next, 52, 52.
B11. Up next, 48, 48.
Ain't no way.
I'll let him pick it. Yeah.
That's already like
48,
already like
G48.
4 times
Up
a day.
next, 17.
Thank you.
17. On 17, and here we go in the back on 17. Hold your cards. Heather, I see a hand raised in the back room. Looks like it's the third row back from the doorbell. If it's a good winner, banana split is next.